Perplexity Spaces is basically just like a folder, and it's very easy to understand. Now, if you want to use Perplexity Spaces, you have to navigate to the Spaces menu right here. And as you can see, I have some spaces that I created on my account. If you want to create a new space, you can click on this button that says create a space. And after that, you have to give it a name. Let's say I want to call this space to be guide. And you can select the emoji. I think that's a nice thing to have, so it will make it more personal. Right now, it doesn't allow you to upload sort of profile picture, but I think the emoji is good enough. So let's try using this simple smile emoji. And there you go. So this is the description. This is not going to be sent to AI. This is just the how do you want to describe this space. You can skip it, and here you can select the AI model. Right now on my Perplexity account, the default model is Sonar, but I can override the setting, and essentially when I'm creating a new thread using or within this space, it's going to be using a different AI model. So let's try using Gemini 2.0 Flash. So basically every single thread that I created using this space, it's going to use this Gemini 2.0 Flash model. And finally, we have this custom instruction. Think of it like the system instruction that you can send to the AI. So in this case, for this particular space, the system instruction is going to be always response in a step-by-step process. And let's click continue. Now the space is created, and as you can see, this is what it looked like, and there is an option to upload a file. If you have a document, you can utilize it. You can make AI to read the document for you, and also you can add some link. If you have some website that Perplexity might need to visit, then you can add that here. But basically this is where you can start writing some prompt and create a new thread. So let's go back to the auto mode, and let's try. Okay, I'm going to enable all of them. So I will ask a question about how do you make pineapple pizza, and just send the query. And as you can see, it is responding in the guide format, but I think that's quite obvious. That's really obvious, because I'm asking a step-by-step guide. But what if the prompt doesn't exactly ask something like that? So let's say I have a problem with my computer. Let's say my computer monitor did not turn on. Let's send that. And usually it's going to answer you with a step-by-step format. It's not going to give you just some paragraphs. Instead, it's going to show you step 1, step 2, step 3, etc. So that's how you can use a space in Perplexity. And by the way, if you are creating a new thread, let's say I want to ask a question about latest AI news, you can actually assign that thread into the space that you just created. But remember that that thread is not going to follow the custom instruction that you have designed for that space, because you created that after or outside the space, but you can still assign that. So basically it's functioning like a bookmark or a folder. So there you go. And yeah, that's basically how you can use Perplexity Spaces in this Perplexity web interface. And if you find this video to be useful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.